smoking in some outdoor areas, such as beside schools, in bar and restaurant terraces, and in bus stop shelters. Around a fifth of residents are smokers, but the new policy would be aimed at reducing this figure. This is Catalan News in 100 seconds. The Catalan executive will pass a law in the coming weeks introducing new smoke-free areas. Also, nicotine replacement products will be offered for free to everyone who earns under 18,000 euros per year. Restaurant owners cited against the measure, arguing they have not been taken into account.
A la base no està en la sanció. La base està, si es permet la paraula, amb la persuasió, amb el que en prenguem consciència, amb el canvi cultural.
El fum pot molestar més o menys, però no és una mesura, entenem, urgent. Hi ha mesures segurament que en el sector, en aquest cas de l'hostaleria, de la restauració, doncs serien més eficients.
Catalonia's foreign minister said that neither the government nor society at large agree with the recent parliamentary motion calling Israel's treatment of Palestinians equivalent to apartheid. Some opposition MPs reacted by saying Minister Alsina displayed contempt of the chamber. Corsica's president backed the independence talks between Catalonia and Spain. The leader of the French island met with the Catalan president today. An old power plant will be turned into Catalonia's audiovisual content creation hub. The project involving the three iconic chimneys by the sea just north of Barcelona will be finished by 2030.
És un dels grans àmbits on el potencial de creixement, de generació de nous projectes, massa sovint un territori que s'ha sentit moltes vegades que no hi centraven prou l'atenció.
Tarragona and Barcelona are celebrating their annual festivities these days. Concerts, performing arts, human towers, and activities for kids are some of the events at the Catalan capital's La Mercè. That's it for today, but do check out Catalan News over the weekend for updates on La Mercè and a chance to listen to our podcast about a Barcelona patient who could revolutionize HIV treatment. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back again on Tuesday after the bank holiday.